did you pour water on me, you little boy? What is it?
You know I'm going to school. And you have not served my food by now.
Your food?
Yes.
Your food is on the dining, for crying out loud. Why? Why did you pour water on me? I'm talking to you. Jesus. You spite brat, what's your problem? How dare you pour water on me? Why are you even shouting? Why did you pour water on me?
Junior, what is going on? What's going on here? Junior? What happened? Lillian, what have you done to my son? Huh? I'm asking you what happened to my son.
I didn't do anything.
You didn't do anything. So why is he crying? Why is he crying? What happened?
She raised her voice on me.
What? How dare you? Are you mad? Why would you raise your voice at my son?
I'm sorry.
Shut up your mouth! Do you even know how hard it is to give birth to a child? Do you know how many months I carried this child on my womb? And you had the right to raise your filthy voice on my son. Huh? What is your problem? What is even wrong with you? Kneel down. Now go down to your knees. Bring her table and give her to her head. Are you mad?
Ma, please, I didn't do anything.
Carry this thing, you must be very stupid. Don't you try it next time.
What's going on there? What is going on here? What's going on? Why is she kneeling down and carrying a table on her head?
Imagine, she raised her voice on my own son.
I don't understand that she raised her voice on your son. Was that why you gave her this punishment?
Baby, don't you get it? My son only asked her politely to serve him. And all of a sudden, she started now. Honey, she deserves this.
Can you stand up? Baby, I say, can you stand up? Hey, what is wrong with you?
Baby, don't you get what I'm
saying? No, what is wrong with you? Tell me a very simple thing that is wrong with your brain.
There is nothing wrong with me. I am telling you that this thing right here raised her own voice on my son.
So what is the bad thing there? No, tell me, what has she committed? Now, what did your son do that propelled her to raise her voice on him?
Baby, what my son did is not even a problem. It is not a problem.
Okay, it's okay. What happened?
I was mopping the parlor, and the next thing he came to me and poured water on my body. Look at me.
Who poured water on your body?
Chisimdi.
Hey, Chisimdi. Is that true? Answer me, is that true?
Even at that, baby, it's not enough reason why she will have to raise her voice on my own son.
So,
it's not worth it.
Do it. Are you telling me, Mary, that you're supporting your son to disrespect this young girl because she's a maid? No,
she is.
Are you encouraging him or you're training him to respect his senior? What kind of nonsense is that one?
Baby, don't get it. Don't you get it?
No, tell me. What kind of training is this one? Are you really training this child to become somebody in the future or to become a hoodlum in the future? What kind of home training is this one? The next time you try this nonsense, I will be the one to flog the hell out of you. Did you get me? Why would you? Oh yeah, apologize to her now. Apologize to her. Tell her sorry.
Sorry.
What kind of nonsense is this one? Hey, now listen to me. I can see that all these things is getting into your brain. Oh yes. Hey, I'm very sorry about what just happened. I from today, you're not going to be the maid again in this house.
Sir, please.
I don't think we need any maid again.
Sir, please.
Hey,
still need
you
the
don't
job,
need maid
please,
again.
Please, sir.
Oh yes.
Sir, please, I still need the
No,
job.
no, calm down. I will
Please,
be
sir.
paying you as far as you are in your house.
Sir, please, no,
if you
sir,
leave this
please.
house now, I'll be paying you whatever you want. I will give you money. I will say no. I will send you your salary. Yes.
Baby, you know how much I don't like working. You know how much I don't like my hands touching plates, and cleaning the house. I need a maid, except you bring someone else.
Did you understand what I'm saying?
You mean I should...
Just go inside there, pack your things, and go. I'll be paying you. I will send your salary even right now.
Sir,
when I
sir,
go
but
there.
I'm not tired of this.
No. Sir, hey, I am the owner of this house.
Okay.
I decide what happened. I say, go there, pack your things. Just go back to your parents' house. I will be sending you your monthly salary, okay?
Even in my parents'
Yes, I'll be paying you.
Sir, are you serious?
I'm very serious. Just go.
Hey, thank you you,
No
sir.
problem, no problem. Just stand up,
Thank you.
Just go.
Thank
Just go
you.
and get your things ready.
Thank you, sir.
Listen to me. From henceforth, you will be doing the mobbing. You'll be taking care of your son. You'll be washing his clothes. You'll be washing the plate, and you take care of me too.
You know
as a
how
wife.
much I don't like touching dirty plates.
Then why will you be maltreating somebody that is doing the job wholeheartedly?
It was her job. I just had to.
Is she not human being? Is she not human being like you? A woman like you? Oh yes, she's a woman like you. Why would you treat her like that?
I don't like this.
You will like it now. Oh, you are ready.
Yes.
It's okay. Remove the apron. Remove everything.
Lillian,
be fast about this. Just go. I will send you a salary now. I will send you next month's own. Drop everything.
God
Give
bless
me.
you, sir. God bless you.
Take.
Baby.
Continue from where?
Excuse me.
Excuse. Come back here.
Thank you, sir.
All
Thank
right.
you, ma. God bless you.
You will see the
Bye-bye.
alert.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Thank you. Yes, this is what you want. This is what you deserve. And this is what you and your son want in this house. And you will learn how to wash plates. You will learn how to clean the house. You will learn how to wash your clothes. Nonsense. Continue from where these girls stopped. Rubbish. I make my food. Make sure my food is ready. Are you hearing me? Rubbish.
Baby,
Mama, you see what you have got?
oh, stop it, please. Just have to learn how to wash the plates. You know, mommy cannot really.
I
do
don't know what it is.
Now go inside already. Go inside. No school for you today. You can't sit.